God, people are playing this game. Oh. Jeez. Put your hand here. Be careful. What's that? Oof. I'm gonna pick this thing. Hello. Adi. Ups. Good morning. Thank you guys for joining. I'll come here. Take my hand straight and careful. Careful. That's all. Good morning, guys. Thank you for joining. How are we doing? So we use this bicycle. What is this? Okay. It's not time to check time. I told you I'm going to play this game to the finish. And you stand one place now. Where are you going? Go like this. Let me just turn my hand straight. Oops. Uh-huh. Mandy, how are you? Thank you for joining. Good morning to you. I want to get these keys. Pawaga. Let's go back like this. I can actually go back like that too. Let me know where you're watching it from. Are they repeating this game? This is just to take my hand straight and grab this and leave this place. That's all. Don't be waste time. This fire. Now this one go like this. Oops. Okay. Let's do this again, guys. So how am I going to get this in? You guys are blocked everywhere. How am I going to get this in? Guys, please like and subscribe to this channel if you find this video useful. You're all welcome, guys. Careful. I heard that is a terrorist. No, now. I pick. Let me use this side. Alright, let's go. I like that one. Okay. Did not see you. But here you go. Tell me. I don't rock water. You get big busy to look for you. I've run. Boniface, you don't run. Imagine I played this game to the last one. And there's something. Let me see what I can do. Yeah. Don't go down there. Good one. Maybe I will reach level 300 before I stop this game. This guy is looking for flower. I need to give her flower. Oh my baby, you need flower. Because sometimes you might get a oops. Take your hand here, stay here. That's good. She's happy now. I want to risk my life to make her happy. This dog. I love this game. It's a beautiful game. Every time I'm playing it, I'm so happy. Because for this YouTube game, this is the most played game on YouTube. It's the most started exploring this game. I began asking for how many kills. Almost. It's 60 million. Still counting. That's so the number of people who are on YouTube. I have right here. Right here. So that all my friends will see it. Some people are not seeing it. But people that really is a bullshit. It's not a bullshit. I'm really embarrassed. I'm really I'm not a ghost. How do I get this somewhere? People should be making me laugh. We are one family. We are one family. So guys, look at me. Don't think there is a ghost that is playing the game. Someone is scared. And we're not seeing someone that is playing the game, so just alright, so what do I need to pick here? This bed. Can actually come here. God in America way. Okay. Oops. Okay. Okay. I love that. I love that, man. I love that. Oh, what do I need to get? Let me use this pocket. Okay. That's good. That one actually has to be fast. If I'm not fast, crossing. That's not good, man. See this girl, she's just here asking, I need something to cover myself. I need something to say. Come on, get an umbrella. Come on. You know, I want somebody to rest. Maybe you're trying to force me now to start doing that. That's one that you tell me that you don't like me. Let's go. Guys, comment. Let me know where you're watching from. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's know where you're watching from. I'm gonna take this thing. It's not very happy. Just leave the guy naked, man. Why did you do that? I'm sorry, bro. But I just have to do it, okay? I'm just playing the game. All right. Where do we go? I'm going to take this money, man. Up. Okay, let me see how this guy is knocking my head again. Let me just pray. Electric shock. All of them have their own punishment. Can you imagine? He even tied me on that thing and he's hitting me. Come on, man. You don't have to do that, bro. I just came to pick something, man. Why are you doing that? I don't like it. Carrying it now. What can you do? So you think you can stop me? Those people are fighting for this flag, okay? Come here, where this gap is. Guys, thank you so much for joining. Let's share this video. Let's share this video. Oops. They even tie me up. Can you imagine? Now doing the way that nobody will see me. Clear. What is called clear mission? No stress. The knife. But they even what did I do now? Oh, it's fine. I don't know what they do. I tell myself, the man wanted to use me for his own channel. What's this now? Okay, CCTV. Please give chance to me pick something. What's this? Know what to do, guys. Yeah. Check this. It is bad. Policeman is here. Have to come up here. In my hand. Policeman was busy watching TV. Let me get this car. What did I even do with the car? I don't even understand. To get it here. Okay, just a clutcher. Oh. Wow, a piece of meat. Come like this. Come like this. Move. Move. Yes. Careful. To grab the flour. What do you slap me now? Why will you just slap me because he's I don't know, that's pure wickedness. I don't like that. I don't like things like that. Come on, man. You don't have to do that. You don't have to do that, okay? Come here. Please here. Yes, careful. And grab. I'm out. Dog even bites my leg. Why is it that the dog is so fast? Okay, which one will be first for me? Mhm. Ah! Okay, let me do it again. Dog food. Yes. Gotta be first. Pick it. Go, 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 go. Yeah. Have to be first. If not, the dog that tilt with me. Yes, take the rice. Take the rice. Oops. Oops. Guys, please subscribe. No. Where did you touch his head now? You just to go and grab that thing. Yeah, it's crazy, man. Okay, today I'm gonna reach 300. I must finish this card. What did I do now? Look at the way you're marking my head. You don't have a smoke. Okay, you cut with your knocking my head. It's scared. What do you want? You don't call this straight. Oops. Wave is straight and ready. First. Oops. I have to be first. This dog's actually. Good, good, good. Thank you guys for joining. You're welcome to my dinner time. Oh, the lady was even looking for somebody that is even hiding from her. And just to confirm, bring your hand now. What's wrong with you? Come here. You pick. Go. This game next to you is that's a trap. I think this will help me. That was a trap, right? I want to get the place. I want to do this. Relax. Wow. Nice. Now you collect the shit, it's not very easy. The driver is busy sleeping. Can you imagine? Temerity. Just carry your bag. Oh, I put the dog at the right place. I was looking for the hair. The broom. I use this cup. Yeah, you're catching cold. That's not fair now. The other day I played this game for Philip. But I really made progress that day. Some people were watching me. Okay. What's the best way to get this bag? You touch from the that one we're busy sleeping. I need a pen. Where the student now? How can you take this in without? Let me see. Even if I touch you now, so let me see. Come. Okay. Policeman was busy sleeping. This one is simple. Come here. You went too far now. Let's come straight. And then go up a bit. This. You keep your down. Simple as ABC. This now will help me take this part. It's just for you to understand the game. The game is let me tell this one. Okay. So it's really interesting. Come on, guys, something. You're 300 now. Okay, guys, I'm going to continue this game later in the day. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this game with me. I'll come back and make sure I complete this game. Thank you. Love you. Bye bye. Need to rest. See you around.